Jamie Oliver and I've been reviewing the Hotpoint Ultima S-Line washing machine, which has a 9 kilogram drum and a AAA star energy rating. This particular machine has other features that are really helpful in the fact that it actually claims to remove more than 100 stains at 20 degrees, which means that obviously you can use a far quicker wash. It's better for the environment, and obviously removing stains is going to be great. So I'm going to be putting it to the test, and I'm going to have a look, just see how quiet it is, because it also claims it has a super silent motor, which is something that I've really looked forward to, having had my previous machine bounce across the floor and sound like an engine was taking off. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm going to show you what it can do. Each setting, it will give you obviously the program, the temperature, the spin, and here look, it says 2 hours and 5 minutes. Now you can obviously change that because we have a time saver button, so you can reduce the time on there, taking it down from 2 hours and 5 to 1 hour 55. Altering the temperature also helps because you can reduce it right down to 1 hour 34. A lot of the functions and a lot of the pre-programmed options on here you can do that with. Some you can't, such as a quick wash, which I believe is number 5. There we go. It's 30 minutes. It's not going to get any quicker than that. However, 30 minutes is still pretty good, so especially with a drum this size. I love this feature with the drawer. Slide it out. This area here is for liquid and powders. This one here is for fabric conditioners, and this little gadget here that slides out will come in the pack with the washing machine. You use that when you're using liquid, and it's also really handy because you don't have to measure anything. It does it on the side with the markers. What I really liked as well about this drawer is the fact that by pulling this out here, you get the instructions on not only where you're putting your stuff, but also on what programs there are available for you to use. So don't worry if you don't want to keep the book to hand, it's all here. I thought it might be helpful to show you exactly how loud this washing machine is, or isn't, as the case may be, and obviously that's the case here. The machine's currently spinning and rinsing, and this is predominantly how loud it gets on a normal size load. If you want to exceed it and sort of fill the drum on the 9 kilogram, obviously it does sound slightly louder the more that you put in it. So it is worth bearing that in mind. On a normal size load, we've been thoroughly chuffed with it because we've been able to put it on at night without it affecting the kids, whereas before, like I say, it used to bounce across the kitchen. So far we've been able to maximise on electricity because we have economy 7, or the equivalent of economy 7. So we've been able to put a load on through the night, so this is great.